Last video we saw SI unit of length. Now we will see SI unit of time. SI unit of time is second. In olden days it was defined on the basis of mean solar day. 1 second is defined as 1 by 86,400 of mean solar day. Mean solar day means time taken by Earth to rotate once about its own axis. That definition was revised in the year 1964. Now, definition is based on energy change in cesium atom. So, in the cesium atom, when there is a transition between two hyperfine levels, a radiation is emitted. Then, now 1 second is defined as 9,192,631,770 periods of the radiation corresponding to a transition between two hyperfine levels of the cesium-133. Here, when there is a transition, a radiation is emitted. Then, time taken for making one vibration is what is called a period. Then, 1 second is equal to this many periods. Now, if you are using Indian system, we have to read this 919 crore 26 lakh 31,770 periods of the radiation corresponding to the transition between two hyperfine levels of cesium-133. SI unit of electric current is Ampere. Its symbol is capital A. Ampere is defined in terms of the force acting between two conductors carrying current. 1 ampere is defined as that constant current which, when maintained in each of the two straight parallel conductors of infinite length of negligible cross section, kept at a distance of 1 meter in vacuum, experience a force per unit length of 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 Newton per meter. Current is the rate of flow of charge. I is equal to Q by T. If 1 coulomb charge is passing for 1 second, it will make 1 ampere current. That way also we can define current. If 1 coulomb charge is passing for 1 second, that will make 1 ampere current. But SI system definition of ampere is given in terms of the force between the conductors carrying current. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Its symbol is capital K. 1 Kelvin is defined as 1 by 273.16 of thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water. So you should know what is triple point of water. Triple point of water is the temperature at which 3 states of water, solid, liquid and gas, exist in equilibrium. That is 273.16. So 1 Kelvin is equal to 1 by 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water. Thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water is 273.16, then 273.16. That is how it is 1 Kelvin. So 1 Kelvin is 1 by 273.16 of thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water. SI unit for amount of substance is mole. It is represented like this. mol. Now let me give you the definition. 1 mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilogram of carbon 12. Now let me explain that. Carbon, there are two isotopes, carbon 12 and carbon 14. Then I use this word, elementary entities. Now let me explain what is this entities. Entity means something that can exist separately from others and it has got its own identity. Atoms are elementary entities. Now you take 16 gram of oxygen or 0.016 kilogram. It also will contain the same number of atoms. So that is 1 mole of oxygen atoms. Same as many elementary entities as there are in carbon 12. Number of atoms same. So this is 12 gram of carbon is 1 mole. Similarly 16 gram of oxygen is 1 mole of oxygen atoms. Now you take 32 gram of oxygen. Now that is 1 mole of oxygen molecules. Here numbers the same. Here it is atoms, but here it is molecules. So, but here you have to say 1 mole of oxygen atoms. Here it is 1 mole of oxygen molecules. Now you take 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Number of molecule is same as the number of atoms in this carbon 12, 1 mole, 12 gram. In the carbon dioxide, 44 gram, also same number of molecules. Here atoms, here it is molecules. So this is called 1 mole of carbon dioxide molecules. So the 1 mole is defined as the amount of substance which contain as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilogram of carbon 12. Now we will see the SI unit of luminous intensity. Luminous intensity means brightness of a glowing object. Unit for luminous intensity is cantilla. It is represented by the symbol CT. 1 cantilla is defined as the luminous intensity in a given direction due to a source which emits a monochromatic radiation of frequency 5.4 into 10 raised to 14 Hertz and whose radiant intensity is 1 by 683 watt per steradian. Steradian is the unit for measuring solid angle. You know, radian is the unit for measuring plane angle. In this video, I have explained the units of time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. In my last video, I explained the unit of length, that is meter. Unit of mass, that is kilogram, was recently revised. So I will explain that in another video separately. Thank you for watching the video.